Hi, this is Don, the owner of Don Anthony Realty. We help people throughout the Charlotte region who have homes for sale and also people who are looking to buy homes in the Charlotte region. And I wanted to give you the monthly inventory report for the month of November. It's December now, but we now have the statistics for the month of November. So here we go. Just wanted to go ahead and give you a summary of what has gone on in the last few months. You can see over the last few months we've come down dramatically. This red line indicates the inventory levels. This is the 90-day rolling average of inventory. It gives you a little bit more smooth information regarding the homes that are the inventory levels out there. As you can see, back earlier in October, we finally crossed the line from last year. Towards the beginning of fall last year, we had a dramatic spike up of inventory levels, and they finally started to come down and have continued to come down back to a more normal levels. So we had a kind of a very unique 2009. For the vast majority of the year, we were way over the previous year's inventory levels, and now we're finally back down to a more reasonable level. You can see here at the beginning of 2008 how the inventory level, where the inventory level was, roughly around, say, 11 and a quarter months of inventory. We're back, closer to that level now. So I expect 2010 is looking to be more of a kind of a normal year, at least in terms of the beginning of the year. Obviously, we'll see how that plays out, but that's definitely good news. 2009 overall a much higher inventory level than it has been in the past. So I'm looking forward to seeing how 2010 plays out. But let's go to the 90-day rolling average inventory by price range. You can see here, especially in the highest price ranges here, the over $1 million, those were some substantial inventory increases, huge glut in the market, and this goes back to the beginning, same as the previous month, January of '08. Where the inventory levels were, and you can see here we're in the higher price ranges. We're still at a higher level. Again, a big bump in the $500 to $1 million price range, but again, we're getting back down to more normal levels in most every price range. So I think we're looking for, again, a beginning of the 2010 to be a lot better than it was for 2009. This is the actual months of inventory, not 90-day rolling, and you can see here again the green bars are where we were each month for 2009 in comparison with the red bars, and you can see here where the red bars started to increase in the fall of last year. Now we're back down to a more normal level. In fact, if you look here at November, which is the first data point we have for 2007, you can see we're actually real close to where we were 2007, and we'll obviously see where we play out for December, but at this point in time we're not too far off from where we were in 2007 levels, so that's good news. Let's look at the number of closings. Again, this contributed to the amount of inventory we had, and the green line indicates 2008. 2008, we had a substantial decline in the number of closings. Buyers just were not out there. They were really staying away, and it really caused inventory levels to spike up. And then here we are. You can see here over the last couple of months where the number of closings actually crossed that line of 2008. So we've had more closings, due in part to the number of people out there buying the foreclosures and short sales, taking advantage of the first-time home buyer tax credit through November. And now that we have that move-up buyer credit, I'm excited about seeing how that will play out for next year as well. Let's look again at the new listings. The only thing I have a little bit of concern is we still see that sellers, are staying out of the market. We have fewer people coming on the market than in previous years, so that is contributing to the decline in inventory. So that's a positive thing with regards to inventory. My concern, I guess, is just a little bit that we have people that are staying off the market. Now is really a good time because inventory levels are so low. It's actually a good time to be getting out there in the market. Couple that with the tax credits and with the interest rates being low, it's really a good time to be out there in the market. And lastly, let's just take a look at the change from this year to this month to last month. You can see we went up by about a month's worth of inventory, an 8% increase. And most price ranges were up just slightly. We did have a couple of big bumps in the $350,000 to $500,000 range, but overall an 8% increase in inventory from month to month. So anyway, that's the inventory report. Definitely tune in for next month to see how the whole year panned out. But again, Don with Don Anthony Realty will be happy to help you out with your needs, either buying or selling a home. Thanks. Look forward to talking with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.